In this video, we'll talk about how to add content to a particular folder in the system. As you can see, we're in our consumer's electronic file cabinet or application. I'm going to click on the search button and get my results list of all my consumers. I'm going to select the consumer I want to work with, in this case, Scott Coleman. This will bring up the folder view, and as you can see, I have my manila folders or subfolders displayed on the screen. If the folder is highlighted in black, that indicates that there are documents in that subfolder. If they are orange, that indicates that there are no documents in the system. Let's say that I want to add a document to the medical document forms subfolder. I simply left mouse click on it to highlight it. I go up here to content and click on it, and it brings up the dialog window. From here, I can browse out to my computer, either my local C drive or my network, and I can browse and find the document that I want. In this case, I'm going to bring in this generic medical Word document. I'll click on it, select Open, and as you can see, it loads it into my screen. Now I can set my document attributes if I have document attributes enabled for this particular subfolder. In this case, I do, and it is the year, and I'll put in 2018. I'm going to identify my medical documentation forms document type. In this case, this is a medical consent form, and I'm going to add the document date. This can be the date that you added the document to the system. It may be the date that the document was signed. Let's say that I'm adding the document today, but it was signed 2 weeks ago. I could enter that date from 2 weeks ago when it was signed. So this is a user-defined field, so whatever is appropriate you can enter here. And at this point, I hit Submit, and it will load the document into the system. We're going to close our window by clicking on the X. I'll refresh my screen. Now you can see that the medical documentation forms is in black, indicating that it has a document in it. I expand it, and if I select that form, you can see that it opens up on the right-hand screen, and there is my document. If I take my mouse and I hover over the date up here, you can see that it brings a dialog box that shows me the document attributes, the year, the document type, and the date that I entered in there.